Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it doesn't matter. Then find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick this one maybe. Here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on add picture, and here we've been transferred to the to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So we can either choose it from our gallery or open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos or backed up photos, so let me omit that. Monogram, so we can tap on it and use one or two letters. We can change the background, we can also change the font, so it's up to you how you wish to use it and make it look like. You can also use emoji instead of the letters. Let's tap on it, and after tapping you can choose from the full list of available emojis which are basically available normally. You can again change the background color, and you can set it monochrome, so more icon-like. Just tap on it, and as you can see it is monochromatic. And illustrations, which are free of charge. You can also use them if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So just find something interesting and then tap on it. You will be able to use it. I'll pick maybe this one. Komodo dragon. You can also choose from presets, so as you can see we've got completely different colors. We can also crop the picture, so we can zoom in or out the photo, we can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.